Four main components of the Cisco SD-WAN architecture: management plane, vManage, orchestrator plane, vBond, controller plane, vSmart, and data plane, vEdge. vManage functions. vManage manages all SDN controllers and network devices. It creates centralized policies and device configuration templates for SD-WAN network devices. It provides GUI, dashboards for monitoring network performance, and provides centralized software upgrade to all SD-WAN controllers and network devices. vBond functions. vBond provides authentication and authorization to all SD-WAN devices, including vEdge devices, to let them access the SD-WAN fabric. It also distributes the list of vManage and vSmart controllers to vEdge routers. vSmart functions. It provides centralized brain of the SD-WAN fabric. It handles control traffic between SD-WAN devices, provides secure and encrypted control plane, implements control plane policies to vEdge routers, distributes data plane and application-aware routing policies to vEdge routers. vEdge functions. vEdge passes the data traffic among network devices. It provides secure data plane with other vEdge routers, implements data plane and application-aware routing policies to vEdge routers, exports performance statistics to vManage, supports zero-touch deployment. Overlay network versus underlay network. The underlay network is the transport physical network like Internet, MPLS, 4G, and 5G networks that is responsible for connecting SD-WAN devices to each other. This is the physical infrastructure of the SD-WAN. Overlay network is a SD-WAN network, which is a virtual IP fabric built on top of the physical network, which is the underlay network.